This video demonstrates how to set up opening balances in a QuickBooks Online file. On the dashboard screen, on the top right corner, we click on the plus icon, and under the other column, we select Journal Entry. Now, once we're on this page, we select the date for which we want to pass the opening balances, which is usually a financial year end date. And in this case, I'll pass the opening balance entry for 30th of June 2017. Now, just to identify what this journal entry stands for, I will give it a name: opening balance 30th June 2017, and copy paste this in the memo as well. Now, in the account section, all I have to do is type the account name, and QuickBooks automatically shows the suggestions. Now, under product income, 4,000. Now, this is, of course, this journal is created based on the trial balance that you will be exporting from your previous software. So you run the trial balance for 30th of June 2017, the date for which you want to pass the journal entry, and you base the amounts and the accounts for which those entries have to be passed on that trial balance. Now, to pass a journal entry in QuickBooks Online, you have to make sure that both the debit and credit balances are matching, as is the case with any journal entry. Now, once we've created the journal entry, we simply have to press save, and the journal entry for this opening balance has been saved. Now, in case you forget to put the right date, you can always go back into the journal entry and change this date. So let's say you had to actually pass these balances for the financial year ending 2016. You simply have to go to that specific date and save it, and QuickBooks Online will automatically update the accounts based on the date that you passed the journal entry for. So that's about it for passing opening balances. Now, for passing movement balance journal, which would be, let's say you are starting off in QuickBooks Online in the middle of a financial year, so you want to bring these balances up to 1st of May 2018. You simply create another journal entry. I'll quickly show you. You make sure that the date is 1st of May. You can name this movement and 2018. Copy paste this here. So let's just say we're updating the product income up to what the balance stands as of 1st of May 2018. So whatever the difference is from the last financial year up until today, we've put in those amounts. If your software allows you to run a movement journal or movement in the trial balances, then you can use that as well and create those journal entries. And that's how easy it is. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you find this helpful. Another last, I guess, resource that I would like to point out to you is we have a great deal of resources in our Pro Advisor section. So if you are an accountant, please go have a look in the Pro Advisor section, which can be found in your QuickBooks Online accountant file under the Pro Advisor tab. So once you're back in your QBOA dashboard, under your practice, you simply click Pro Advisor, and under here you'll see the Resources tab, which has resources for your practice, resources for your clients, and apps. So I highly recommend you do utilize this page. It gives you a lot of good content on how to frame the cloud conversation with your clients, and a lot of general quick tips and tricks about QuickBooks Online. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you find it helpful.